Hi guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today we're going to have a quick look at this 7-in-1 USB-C hub. Our product code is the EW-TC-107. Inside the box, this will work with any standard USB-C connector on a PC, and you can see it has two USB 3 ports. There's a third one there on the side. It's got a memory card readers, it's got another USB-C input, and it has an HDMI out. Please do check for device compatibility. It does list the items over there. Make sure that your device is compatible before purchasing the unit. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you. Have a wonderful day.